So what do you do if you're the victim of a pedestrian accident? How can you protect your legal rights and make sure you're not stuck with tens of thousands of dollars in medical bills and missed work as a result of an accident you didn't cause? Hi, my name's Charles Buist, and I'm a personal injury and wrongful death lawyer. And in today's video, we're going to be diving into a step-by-step on what you should do when you get hit by a car in Orlando, Florida. So let's get right into it. Now let's start out by talking about what a pedestrian accident is. A pedestrian accident refers to an unfortunate incident where a driver of a motor vehicle runs into a person on foot. Now these accidents frequently occur in areas with high pedestrian traffic, such as downtown Orlando or anywhere else where folks are often walking around. Now the aftermath of a pedestrian accident can be chaotic and distressing. But the steps you take in those critical moments after a pedestrian accident can significantly influence the outcome of your potential personal injury case. So what should you do after a pedestrian accident? Well, we're going to give you a brief rundown of some vital steps you can take to protect yourself and your legal rights. The first step is to assess your injuries and move to safety if possible. Now, if you're hurt badly, you should generally avoid any major movements unless absolutely necessary. Remember, the adrenaline rush of being in an accident may temporarily mask the pain you're going to feel, and any rapid movements you make could make your injuries worse. So if you can, take some time to assess the severity of your injuries and carefully get yourself to safety. If you're severely injured or in immediate danger, dial 911 as soon as possible, or have someone dial 911 for you. This is always good practice. It's crucial to contact authorities after any accident. Either dial 911, like we talked about, if it's an emergency, or reach out to your local non-emergency line. Though others may have already reported the incident, it's always best to confirm. A police report will provide an official account of the accident, which is an invaluable piece of evidence. Specifically, it will show that the accident actually occurred, and it'll provide valuable details like when, where, and how that accident occurred, and who was at fault. The next step involves gathering essential details from the driver, including their name, contact information, insurance details, and license plate number. If possible, take photos or a video of the driver's license plate and vehicle, and do what you can to document any visible damage to that vehicle. Remember, keep your interaction with the driver polite yet minimal. Any comments or apologies could potentially be used against you in your case later on. Now, if there are any eyewitnesses to the accident, ask for their contact details if you can. Eyewitness statements could offer powerful evidence and provide an impartial account of the accident. You should also try to document the scene as extensively as possible. Take photos and videos of your injuries, nearby traffic signals, the scene of the accident, and anything else that could serve as evidence later on. Remember, keep any clothing from the accident unwashed, as this could also serve as valuable evidence. Now, one critical step many people overlook is to avoid speaking with the driver's insurance company. Their primary goal is to settle the case with the least possible payout or deny your claim. And anything you say could be used against you. So, make sure and speak with an attorney before you talk with the driver's insurance company. That way, you know that your rights are protected. Now, piggybacking on that last idea, you should consider consulting with a pedestrian accident lawyer as soon as possible after you get hit by a car. Your lawyer can help you protect your rights and guide you through the complex process of pursuing a personal injury claim. Your lawyer can also ensure that evidence is collected promptly, and they can also send out spoliation letters to preserve any evidence that's at risk of being lost or destroyed. While not every accident victim may need a lawyer, it's always best to consult one to ensure you don't compromise your case unknowingly. Well, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions about your pedestrian accident or your loved one's pedestrian accident, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We offer free legal consultations and we're happy to help you however we can. You can reach us at the number below in the video description, or you can find us at www.carelessdriver.com. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.